Welcome. Welcome in KK Wak Secondary School and Junior College, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Hi, this is Yogita Pawan, and today's our subject is geography. Let us start the physiography of Brazil. So, this is the physiography of Brazil. So, here we are having a 5 division of Brazil. First one, the highlands. Second one, the Great Escarpment. Third one, the coastal region. Fourth one, the plain. And fifth one, the islands. Even a cursory look at the map will make you realize that a large part of Brazil is occupied by highlands, plateau, and small mountain. There are no very high and long extending mountain in country, means in Brazil. So except for northern Amazon basin, this one, northern Amazon basin and southwest along the upper part of Paraguay basin, there are no wide plain in the country. Even the coastal plain are restricted in their expanse. So the physiographic division of Brazil as follows. See, first one, the highlands. Here is this one, highlands. See, one more highland is here. The second division, the Great Escarpment. See, the location of escarpment. Third one, the coastal region. Fourth one, the plain area or the plains. And last one, the island group. So let us start with the highlands. The southern Brazil is occupied by an extensive plateau. It is differently described as Brazilian highland or Brazilian shield or Brazilian plateau. Plateau means flat. Brazilian and Guiana highlands together, this one, the location of Guiana highlands, together form the core of South Atlantic continent. The main part of Guiana highlands, this one, Guiana highlands, is in Venezuela and it extends to French Guiana. In Brazil, it covers the state of Roraima. Here is the location of Roraima, Para, Ampa in the north, this one side, north. The lower part of this island is found in Brazil, but the highest peak in Brazil is Pico di Nebelina. Pico di Nebelina is 3014 meter high and lies on the border between Brazil and Venezuela. Now see, a second physiographic division of Brazil is the escarpment. See this location of escarpment. Though it occupies a very small area, the nature of its slope and the effect has on the climatical mix. It is separate physiographic division or region. The eastern side, this one, the eastern side of highland is demarcated. Because of the escarpment. In this region, the altitude of escarpment is 790 meter. In some region, the height decreases gradually. The escarpment is very steep, particularly from here is a Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre. The escarpment act as a barrier to southeast trade wind, giving rise to the rain shadow area. So the northern or northeastern part, this one, northeastern part of the highlands. So this region to the north of this area is called drought quadrilateral area or drought quadrilateral region. See, the third physiographic division of Brazil is coast. Brazil has a coastline of about 7,400 kilometers. One may divide that into two parts, namely northern and eastern. The northern coast extends from Amapá province, this one, in the north to Rio de Grande North in the east, this one. This can be called as the North Atlantic coast. From there, the eastern coast extends towards the south. The northern coast is characterized by mouth of many rivers, including the Amazon. Therefore, this region is low-lying region. On the coast, the Marajo, this one, the Marajo Islands, Marajo and Sao Marcos Bays. Marajo is a large coastal island located between the mouth of river Amazon and river Tocantins. Now, the fourth important physical division of Brazil is plain. This one. See the plain area. The plain in Brazil are confined to two areas, namely Amazon basin in the north and Paraguay-Paraná source region. Paraguay-Paraná source region in the southwest. Amazon plains lie between the two islands from largest plain land of Brazil. Amazon plain lie in the northern part of Brazil, generally slope eastward. The Amazon basin is quite wide in the west. In the west, this side, quite wide in the west. It's about 1,300 kilometers, and it's narrow. It's eastward. Its width is just minimum 240 kilometers. Now it's minimum where the Guiana Highlands and Brazilian Highlands come closer. As the river approaches the Atlantic Ocean, the width of plains increases. Now, the last very important physiographic division of Brazil is the islands. Besides the mainland, some islands are also included in Brazil. They can be classified into coastal island, this one, coastal island, and or marine islands. Most of the coastal islands have formed due to deposition. Here the deposition. The marine islands, this one, the marine islands were a part of means a part of mainland. Mainland, the part of land. So they are more than 300 kilometers away from 300 kilometers away from mainland in the Atlantic Ocean. So these islands are mostly rocky and they are the top of submerged mountain. The islands near the coast of South Atlantic Ocean are coral islands and they are called atoll. They are called atoll. Means according to a physiographic division of Brazil. So we are having in Brazil a 5 division of Brazil. See first one, a Brazilian highland. Okay, so here is a two type of highlands, Brazilian highlands, Guiana Island. Second division is Great Escarpment. See the year. Next one is coastal region according to North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Fourth one is the plain area. This one, Amazon basin area and Paraguayan Paraná river area. And last one is the islands group. Here is the Marajo Island. Okay. So in next period, we'll discuss about the drainage system of India as well as Brazil. Till then, bye. Thank you.